in this video you learn the best web hosting Bluehost review. So in my opinion, Bluehost is one of the best web hosting because I've tried a lot of other hosting as well. I don't want to say the name, but you know, SiteGround, GoDaddy, HostGator, there are a lot. I've tried all of them and I'm creating websites from a really long time, more than 5 years. So for me, Bluehost is the best web hosting. One of the reasons is they give you free domain for the first year, free SSL, and in fact their support is really good. Okay, so you know, you can just go there, go to the contact help, and they could support you always, no matter whatever time it is. So I'm on the east side, so it's, you know, it's the opposite time zone, but still they are always available. And you can start as low as $3.95 per month, which is really cheap as per the service they provide. And even their website speed, the servers are really good. I've checked all my websites on GT metrics and pingdom tool, so which are the site speed websites where they check your website speed. So my website is really fast, and as you know, if you want to rank in Google, website speed matters a lot. And just try it out, and they have a 30-day money back guarantee as well. And guess what, guys, I have a 70% discount. The link is down below. You can just go and try it and you can get 70% discount. That's a really good thing, right? I would always, so it's very easy, guys. Just select the recommended and then create a new domain or use a domain of your own. If you have a domain of your own, you can use it. You can say I can create my domain later, but if you want, you'll get a free domain. Just create a new domain, put out all the information. I would select for 12 months, and I would select this one and this one as well. Bluehost SEO Toolstar, so they will help you for SEO as well, because creating a website is really easy, but getting traffic to it is very difficult. So I would always select this one, so they would help you and guide you. And put in your credit card information. It comes up to $143. Now people would be like, yo, it's very expensive. Yes, it's expensive because that's what the service they provide. They provide free SSL, free domain, and in fact the service, like, even if you have any questions, you can call up the chat support, and or you can just call them up from your phone with the toll-free number and just clarify your questions. They are really good at it. And also one more thing I would show you, creating a website in Bluehost is one of the easiest. You can create a WordPress website in 3 seconds, guys. It's very, very, very simple. So just let me show you. Let me log in. So just I'll click on login, and once you're in your dashboard, once you create your WordPress website, you don't even have to remember the passwords. It's so easy. I'll just show you in a second. So this is my website. If I click over here, I would be on my WordPress dashboard. It's so easy. And if I want to, so if I go over here, it's my website is loading. So as you could see, this is my WordPress dashboard, so I don't even have to log in. It's so simple. And if I want to create a site, just click on create site, write down my site name. So Bluehost, just for example, click next. I would select this domain, Bluehost, okay, and just click next, and within like 3-4 seconds you are able to create a WordPress website. That's how easy it gets. So if I just type blue and click next, so I think so I had already created on the same name. So anyways, creating a website is really easy. Within 3-4 seconds, that's how simple it gets. And imagine you can create a lot of websites. So as you could see right now, my website is all, so if I go log into my WordPress, go to my website, so my website is created. And creating website is really easy in Bluehost. The link is down below. Go and buy it, try it yourself, and let me know in comments. And thank you for watching. So let me just show you my website right now. So my website is created. So if I go and visit site, so you see the blue, so it's there. My website is created. Nothing gets more easier than this. Okay, you don't have to, like previously, to install WordPress you had to manually download the file, upload it on your server, and then run it, put the database password. Guys, it's very simple. Bluehost is one of the best. This is the reason it's the best web hosting for WordPress. Go and check it out. Thank you. So the free bonus I told you in the beginning, so I have created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. So if you're new here and if you are struggling to create a website, to decide the best themes, the best plugins, the best web hosting, and the best settings for SEO, and how to rank on Google and how to get traffic, then this is the course for you. So you can just learn techniques to get free traffic to your website. The link is down below, and thanks for watching.